Have you heard about the side hustle where you only need to upload files and you will get paid for it? Whether you answered yes or no, you have to watch this video to learn further about it. This is a secret that only a small number of people knows, so keep watching to be a step ahead. Welcome back to Passive Income, where we turn dreams into streams of income. Before anything else, you know the drill. Do not hesitate to hit the bell icon to subscribe to our channel. With that, you will never miss a single upload that talks about how to earn passively. United States, Canada, Nigeria, Philippines, India, name it. Wherever you are, this side hustle is open to all, worldwide. So, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is head over to your computer's browser and type in Up4Ever. Up4Ever is a file hosting service that offers users the ability to upload and share files of various types and sizes. It provides a convenient platform for storing files securely in the cloud, making them accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. Users can upload documents, videos, music, software, and more to their Up4Ever accounts, and then share download links with others. This makes it easy to distribute files to friends, colleagues, or the public without the need for physical media or complicated file transfer methods. Up4Ever also offers features such as file encryption, password protection, and file management tools to help users organize and secure their files. Overall, Up4Ever is a versatile solution for anyone looking to store and share files online. This is what it would look like on the website. Click the Payment Proofs section, and you'll see loads of Up4Ever payment proofs. There's a bunch of pages showcasing all these proofs. Then click on Make Money, and you'll find the breakdown of how much you earn per 1,000 downloads based on where the downloaders are from. They've neatly classified countries into these tiers. Tier 1 includes places like the US and Canada. Tier 2 has countries like Australia. Tier 3 includes Saudi Arabia and the UAE. And Tier 4 covers the rest. What's great about this site is the variety of payment methods they offer, making it easy for members worldwide to withdraw their earnings. They've got options like PayPal, Payeer, Skrill, Neteller, Payoneer, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. Plus, you don't need to pay anything to start making money. The basic membership is free. Click on Register Now, then hit the Sign Up option at the top. Fill in your username, password, email, and hit Sign Up. Or you can directly connect your Gmail account. This is your official dashboard. From here, you'll see they give you 120 GB of storage for free. That's plenty of space to upload files and rake in cash. When it comes to uploading your files, ensuring your payment information is set up correctly is key. Start by navigating to the Payment Settings section and inputting your details. Remember to choose the option that aligns with your country to facilitate smooth withdrawals. Once that's sorted, select your preferred payment method from the array of choices available, whether it's PayPal, Payeer, Skrill, or any other supported option. Take your time to fill in the necessary details accurately, as this ensures a seamless transaction process. Once everything's set, hit the Save button to lock in your settings and prepare for uploading your files. Next up, click on Upload Files. Read through the notifications and select your file from your folders. You can upload from your drive or computer's files. You may also add a description if you'd like. After that, you can already hit the Start Upload button. It will take a few seconds or minutes, but once uploaded, click on the file to get the download link, which is key to earning money through ads displayed when someone downloads your file. Now, let's talk about strategy. Ever notice those short YouTube videos with tons of views featuring sound effects? They're a goldmine. People often need these sounds for their own videos, and they're willing to click on download links. This is where you start earning some cash. How? You can simply tap into this by finding copyright-free sound effects on sites like pixabay.com. Make it sure that what you are downloading is not subject to copyright infringement. Search for sound effects like scary suspense or dark piano tension on Pixabay. Download them and upload them to Up4Ever. Leave your Up4Ever download link in the description of YouTube videos featuring these sounds, and watch the money roll in. Even with just 100,000 views, you could pocket $700 or more. It's a simple yet effective way to make money online. Make sure to follow the steps and make yourself acquainted with this website that we've introduced you today. That way you can maximize the uses it offers and you can earn higher than what we expected. How did you find this video? Please leave a word out in the comment section below. We would love to hear from you. See you again next time here on Passive Income.